Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, is with me, and I know you have an example trade and want to hear from Elon Musk as well. Some of your thoughts.
Yeah, I definitely want to hear from Elon, but only about Tesla, not about anything else. And I think shareholders, investors, traders, want to hear the same thing. So there's so much news out there, positive, negative, and news that just is all jumbled. So I really think that, excuse me, unless there's a major outlier, that the stock's not going to move. And when I say not going to move, that doesn't mean literally stay in place, but have a very, very tight range. Now, the market's pricing in about a 25 dollar move, so 7.5%, something like that. I think we get a smaller move, Nicole, and again, less there's a big major outlier. So based on that, I am selling this week's downside 320, 310 put spread. I'm also selling this week's upside 340, 350 call spread. I can collect about $6.50, pretty rich for that. And my risk, if there is a large move in Tesla, is $3.50, but I'm collecting $6.50. So end of the day on Friday, my break-even points would be $313.50 on the downside and $346.50 on the upside. So that is my profit pocket. We get a big move, but that's why I do everything completely risk defined.
All right. When we think about Tesla, obviously the Mag 7, everybody loves the Mag 7. Sometimes they say the Mag 6 because they don't necessarily believe in Tesla. The Mag 6 have helped to propel this market back higher. Thoughts on that group and the market action overall?
Obviously, there's going to be scrutiny every which way that we can think of, and I'm more concerned or more interested in the Alphabet earnings today than I am in Tesla, to that point, for the Mag 7 to really set the stage for what we may see. But there's no question that these stocks, Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple, Tesla, and the like, they could really set the momentum and the optimism or the pessimism for the rest of the year here. There's no question about it.
All right. Scott, thank you. Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. Great to see you always.